Thanks for joining us today at Island Ford Superstore, located on Norcross Road in Duncan, BC, off the Trans-Canada Highway. We're in the Cowichan Valley on Vancouver Island. You can also check us out online at islandford.ca for more information and a full description of this vehicle. Today we're looking at a 2019 F-150 XLT in agate black with black sport cloth interior, seating for 5, 4 doors, and a 5.5-foot box. This has a 5-liter V8 engine. It's a 4x4 with an FX4 off-road package, which includes skid plates. It also has a trailer tow package, which includes an integrated trailer brake controller and Pro Trailer backup. As well, it has a sport package, which has the body-colored grille, as well as the center console. It's really easy to get into this truck. Just talk to our sales team. They'd be happy to take you out on a test drive, and you can book that online at islandford.ca. Speaker in the door, as well as power locks, windows, and mirrors. The driver's seat is powered with lumbar, and you have these nice sport cloth material on it that looks like a tread mark that's on the seat. You also have electronic parking brake, power pedals, lighting controls. There's a grab handle making it easier to get in, and the steering wheel can tilt and telescope. On the face of it, you have your dash controls, cruise control, media with volume, and sync voice activated system. When we start up the vehicle, you're going to see any important messages, as well as a menu that appears. And we can toggle through the menu. I'm just going to wait for it to come up. There you go. And we'll go into the whole thing here. Display mode, trip fuel, towing, off-road, settings, and these all have sub-menus. In the center, you're seeing your little cubby. You also have hill descent, traction control, hazard lights, auto stop start for less idle time, and you've got a display screen here that we can touch on for different options, and there's your sources, AM, FM, Sirius satellite radio, as well as Bluetooth. You've also got your map for navigation, and when you put the vehicle in reverse, this is where you're going to see your backup camera view. There you go. You also have your settings that you can slide through for different options, things like automatic updates, Apple CarPlay, and display screen, and so forth. Your volume and tuners located here, and there's your climate control with AC and max AC, as well as front and rear defrost. Off to the side, 4x4 locking differential, Pro Trailer backup, and your integrated trailer brake controller. In the center cubby, you have a couple of USB outlets, and then you can just close this up if you wish. You have an automatic select shifter, as well as drive mode. And when you press on this, you'll see it appear on the dash. There you go. Normal, tow haul, snow wet, eco, sport, and back around again. There's a couple of cup holders, and your armrest opens up. There's a nice little bin, you can take that out. Lots of room down below, as well as a 12 volt. And then off to the side, another 12 volt, as well as a 110 outlet. And you also have a locking glove compartment. Up above, auto dimming, rear view mirror. There's your lighting controls, sunglass holder. As well, there's a grab handle on the passenger side, and that just makes it easier to get in. 20-inch wheels, mud flaps, running boards, body color door handle, keyless entry keypad, driver's side, capless, easy fuel gas filler. The black handle extends to the tailgate. The tailgate is lockable and removable. Your backup camera is located just below that handle, and you have a 4 and 7-pin connector, trailer hitch, and a locking spare tire. And then when you want to open up that tailgate, simply put your hand in the latch, pull down, and you've got a nicely lined box with tie downs in all 4 corners, as well as box link. And when you're ready, close everything up, lock it up, and walk away, or jump in and head out on your latest adventure. Storage and speaker in the door, as well as power windows. There's seating for 3 in the back with a 60-40 split. And you have this little tab here. You just pull that, you lift up your seat, it's the upright position, and then pull it again, push down, and now you're in the regular seated position. And then you're seeing anchors at the base to be able to tether baby seats. There's an all-weather mat on the floor that runs from one end to the other, easy cleanup. And you also have extra carpeted mats. There's slim pockets on the back of the front seat. And in the center, a couple of cup holders, 12 volt, 110, and USB outlets, as well as your air vents. There's a grab handle in the body, up above, hooks and lighting, and in the back, access to a big window. Body colored bumper, mud flaps, 5.5-foot box, privacy glass in the back windows, window vents, heated and powered side view mirrors, quad beam headlights, halogen fog lights, tow hooks, and so many more reasons to visit us at Island Ford Superstore, BC's #1 rated Ford dealer.